Hello and welcome to a new episode on your Learn channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off an LED with the help of Sparkfun ESP32 Theme Plus development board. This development board is very useful for remote controlled projects where you want to control, let's say for example, an LED from the distance because it has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities. Down below this video I will post a link to the manufacturer's website where you can find a broader description of this development board and more examples. The code for this project will be posted down below, so you can use it. It is a basic example offered by the developer of this board. So what I've done here is I've connected the anode of this LED, as you can see, to the GPIO 13 of the development board, and I've used the 100 ohm resistor, and the cathode of this red LED is connected to ground. So after you are going to upload the code to this development board, this LED will blink. Also, because it's connected to GPIO 13 of this development board, a blue LED will blink. This blue LED is connected to this GPIO pin. So if you don't have an LED to use, you can see if the code works just by looking at this blue LED, if it blinks or not. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.